Hey, look who it is.
Hey, it's Crumb Boss. Come on, you always catch me off guard when I'm rolling up my sleeve.
Exactly. You're always rolling up your sleeves.
Hey.
Dig it in.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Crumb Boss, what are you making today?
We're going to show you how to make this beautiful little pumpkin decoration to decorate all your fall cakes this
Can you
season.
do Steph, the producer, a favor and hold up the plate to the light
sure.
so I can get the details? So this is what we're doing. See this pumpkin right here? We're going to show you how to make that fondant.
Yeah.
Well, the Crumb Boss says.
Yep.
I'm going to film it. How to make that fondant pumpkin.
Yes.
So you can have a sugar blowout. Give it to your kids. See what happens. Okay, so Crumb Boss, here we go. And what kind of cake is that, by the way?
Well, that's a pumpkin cake underneath, but I'm going to show you how to mix that recipe later. So,
do you call it a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern?
I call it a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Once it's carved out with a face, it's then a jack-o'-lantern,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
This is just a pumpkin.
I thought it was jack-o'-lantern.
All right, I just want to clarify some things, guys. We've been having discussions on Facebook on the Crumb Boss page of what we use to make figures and decorations, and I do not use fondant to make this type of a decoration. I have too much trouble with it. Fondant does not dry, hard, stiff. Fondant is meant to drape cakes. So what I use is something called modeling paste. I get it from my purveyors, like, commercial stuff. So I don't really have a good advice for you guys to get it.
All right, gum paste.
No, it's not gum paste.
Okay.
It's not gum paste. This is called modeling chocolate or modeling paste.
Okay.
I use a brand called Falkland. It's imported from Switzerland, so I don't really know where you guys can find it. However, what I'm saying is I do not use fondant to make modeling figures.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, what I have here, I'm going to show you how to make the pumpkin. I have 3 different colors. The color orange for the pumpkin, the green for the leaves, and then this is like kind of chocolatey black for the stem.
Correct.
And it's pretty simple to do.
You roll it into a ball.
You roll it into a ball. Now, pumpkins can be those, the shape like that, like the taller ones, right?
Well, pumpkins are, you ever go to a pumpkin patch?
Yeah, and they're all different sizes and shapes. And
Yeah. People love pumpkin patches.
Oh, I do too.
I like looking at them from a far distance.
But you're allergic to
the hay and all the other things that around it. You don't want to see Steph in a pumpkin patch.
All right.
We should go apple picking with the Crumb Boss and the producer.
When are we going to do that? After work, after filming Crumb Boss, after uploading videos, after shipping T-shirts?
Yeah! She's back, everybody! Yeah! You should have seen all the text messages I got. You're gone for 11 days, you old jerk.
No, I didn't say
kidding.
that at all.
I'm busting. Come on.
All right, I'm going to make 2 different kinds of pumpkins. One's going to be like your regular round little fatty, and then I'm going to make, the taller ones that are a little bit skinny.
Yeah.
That look kind of like that, right?
Okay, yeah.
All right, so the first thing I do is take the back side of my knife, which is the thicker part. No, this is the...
All right, Gretchen.
Yeah, that's like, I don't want to cut into it. I just want to make an indent like that, because that's what the pumpkin looks like when it grows.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, but of course yours looks perfect. If I tried that, my finger would slice. Oh, wait.
Okay, and then I'll do the same thing with this taller one.
Oh, wow. That looks cool.
All right. So I have this fondant tool just because I do. You don't need this, though. I have also done it with a pencil.
Well, what did you get, lead poisoning?
Well, no, an unsharpened pencil.
Okay.
You could just stick it in. I mean, you could use anything. I've used the back of a paintbrush to make the indent. Be creative, guys. You don't need these expensive fondant tools to do a lot of this work.
Okay.
This one has flour in it. Anyway, we'll cover that up. So the next thing that I want to do is take my green.
Yep.
Sometimes it gets dried out, so you have to just...
So again, we're making this right here, you guys. The pumpkin on top of the carrot cake.
It's not a carrot cake, it's a pumpkin cake.
The pumpkin cake.
And we'll get to that recipe later.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the green.
All right.
And I just want to roll that out. Now, you guys remember me with my cookie cutter situation. I don't have a proper leaf cutter, but I find that the top of my pineapple is perfect.
Yes.
So I just want to cut that. Maybe make 2.
Cool.
And then I do have this leaf veiner, which is a silicone mold. It's made specifically for gum paste flowers. So you just want to take that and press it on.
So you cut the leaf and then you press it on.
Yeah, and you see how it makes that
Yep.
leaf design. Can you see it?
I think so.
Oh, it's so sticky. Okay, that one came out better.
See, that's cool, right, you guys?
And then you take your dark, like I use chocolate modeling paste,
Yeah.
and then I colored it even a little bit darker with black.
Okay.
But then you want to make the stem.
Oh, cool.
That one's kind of big.
Can you eat all of
Yes, this is all edible. So yes, I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not because I'm not selling this.
Yeah, rawr. Yeah. Yeah, you're not wearing gloves. Your hair's too long.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, all
You
right,
know what,
whatever.
everybody?
Yeah, it's our show.
Yeah.
Watch it if you want it. If you don't, we don't care.
Yeah.
We don't care.
Okay, so stick your stem in there.
That's cool. Look at me.
Get that out of there.
Love it.
And this stuff is kind of fairly sticky, so it sticks right to it. You don't really, I mean, if you have trouble finding that it's not sticking, use a little tiny dab of corn syrup, except you can't get that in your country, so use, I don't know,
Spit.
a little spit to stick it on there. Now, the last thing I do is take another piece of that black, and I roll it really thin, almost like a worm. Now, this is the trickiest part here with big fingers, is to get it to curl,
Okay.
like the little vine.
Oh, that's cool.
See that? Because
Yeah,
it's
that's
sticky work and it's little tiny intricate work, and so,
Yeah.
but there you have it.
Oh, that's cute.
Right, that's how you make a pumpkin decoration for your,
That's how you make a pumpkin
Fall
decoration for your fall cakes. So we have the big little fat chubby pumpkin, and then we have the big tall pumpkin, and these are made out of
well,
not
modeling
fondant.
paste or modeling chocolate.
paste.
You could do it out of fondant, guys, but I just prefer not because it doesn't stand up straight like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
The fondant is too soft and it tends to want to
Okay.
kind of slump down.
Okay, cool. And these are the pumpkins, you guys, that you can make, and you can put them on your fall cakes. And we're going to show you in a little bit, in a couple of videos, how to make this beautiful thing.
Yep.
Okay?
All right, everybody.
And remember, all you crumbies out there, go to Facebook, share, share, share.
Crumb Boss.
There she is. And on that light note, we're finally going to make the pumpkin cake with the pumpkin on it and the pumpkin cake, and we're going to put it all together with the pumpkin crumb boss.
Hey, Ready Crumb Boss here.
All right, you're all pumpkin up.
That's right, we're building on recipes. We have already showed you how to make the decoration
Yes.
of the pumpkin here. We mixed the pumpkin cake, which are the layers that I'm going to use right here.
Yes. And now we're going to decorate
We
it.
are going to fill it, ice it, and decorate it.
That's chocolate ganache.
That is chocolate ganache, which I have over here. So we are definitely building on recipes here. You're going to need the chocolate ganache recipe, the pumpkin cake recipe, the buttercream recipe,
And web paste.
and what?
It's called web paste.
No, it's called modeling chocolate.
What's web
I
paste?
have no idea. That's something that you make in the privacy of your own home, I'm assuming.
Web.
You said gum paste earlier.
Oh, gum paste.
No,
Web-
it's not that. It's modeling chocolate.
Web. It's web paste.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, gross.
From the spider web.
So I have here my Crumb Boss Swiss meringue buttercream. It's the best recipe on the internet, you guys.
Yes.
If you haven't tried it yet, you better try it. I've added to that some cinnamon. I didn't make a recipe. I eyed it. I just dumped some cinnamon in there, and I'm going to mix it up. There is no measurement here for that.
You just eye it.
I just eye it. All right, so mix that in, and there you have some simple cinnamon buttercream.
Okay.
To which I'm going to fill my wonderful, oh, this cake is so delicious. Go and do the pumpkin cake, guys. You will not be sorry. So I'm going to fill that.
Can you make a waffle cake?
Maybe.
Like you made that waffle.
Oh, like the pancake cake? Yeah.
I want that.
All right, here is...
I loved my birthday cake, by the way.
I
My
know.
birthday cake was unbelievable.
It's too bad it was all melted. I had
I
to
know.
save it for 2 weeks while Steph was on vacation, and by the time she got back, all the colors were bleeding. It was just a disaster.
Yeah, and Chris was taking over my job and editing videos.
All right, so there I have...
Everybody went nuts.
Filled it with
Chris
my
caused
cinnamon
controversy.
buttercream. Yes, he did. All
Yeah.
right, and now I'm going to ice it with some cinnamon buttercream. Now, you guys don't have to use these flavors that I picked. You could do whatever you want. You want to fill this cake with some cream cheese icing? Go right ahead. You want to fill it with chocolate buttercream? Go ahead and do it. I would love to see what you're going to create from my recipes and share them with us on Facebook. All right, so I have this little cake that I'm just icing here. And I just thought it was really kind of cool to ice it with some ganache because I thought that it really made that pumpkin decoration stand out.
Yeah, I think
Right?
that's cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's orange ganache.
No, chocolate ganache. The chocolate part that's drizzled over. Oh, yeah, that's what you're seeing. On this first demo cake, I did orange buttercream.
Yeah.
That's,
okay.
oh, there's the confusion. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, on that first cake, I just took some orange buttercream and I colored it.
Okay.
And on this one, I'm just doing cinnamon. I just thought I'd do something a little different.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I normally would do, guys, before I pour ganache over anything, because ganache is warm, it has to be warm to be melted, right?
Yes.
I would like to put this cake into the freezer before I pour anything over top of it, because I don't want to pour warm ganache over room temperature icing, because then you have a tendency for it to really melt.
Okay.
But I don't have the time to do that,
Yes.
so I'm going to take a risk.
Yeah, MacGyver.
All right?
Yeah.
You're going to take your melted down chocolate ganache.
Okay.
And you just start in the center, and you let it flow naturally.
Yeah. Oh, that's enough.
That is enough.
Oh, that's enough, Gretchen.
Okay, and then take your spatula and just help it along just a little bit
Whoa.
to let it
Look at that.
melt down the sides. All right.
Looks like cool. Looks like an ice cream
See how cool
cone.
that looks?
That's cool. I like that.
Now, if my cake was frozen,
Yeah.
those drips would actually stop mid-drip.
I like it dripping.
Yeah.
But I know you don't. You're
Well,
going
no, I
crazy.
do. Except
I know you're going crazy
No,
right
no.
now.
I love
because that's
dripping.
what it's supposed to look
Well,
like.
no, I
and it
actually
looks-
like this better, but I'm nervous that these are going to start dripping off.
Yeah.
Like
that's-
that one.
That's perfect.
I like this one.
Yeah.
That one got a little crazy.
All right.
Anyway, that's how you would do it.
Now you put your cookie on it.
Where's the cookie?
This one.
Oh.
Whatever it is. I don't know what this is.
All right,
is
first I'm
confusing.
transferring it to a nice board. Like you see
Golden
there.
board. I think that looks cool.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah.
And not only does it look cool, guys, if you use my recipes, you are like, forget about it. Your people are just going to go
Yeah.
crazy.
Your people are going to call my people.
No, I mean, like your coworkers, your family, your friends, they're going to be like, oh my God, Betty Lou, where did you get this recipe?
Betty Lou.
You know. So I have these really cool fall sequins confetti. You see them?
Want to hold it still?
Oh.
Well, because when you do that, people can't stay. Okay,
Sorry.
here you go. Got it.
All right. So I took them and I just figured, it's better to do this when the ganache is still soft.
I want to put some on.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that technique.
It's called fall. It's easy. You just drop it.
Everything's falling, yeah.
Now put a pumpkin on
Yeah,
it.
now put a pumpkin right in the center. But I would wait until this sets up, because if I put that pumpkin in the center, it's going to really sink in like quicksand. I mean, I could do it.
Let's just see.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, why not? I see what you're saying.
Yeah, not too bad. If it
Not
was
too
set,
bad.
though, it would be fine.
That looks cool.
So there you have it.
So then we have the cinnamon pumpkin challenge. I mean the cake.
Yeah.
Cake made by the Crumb Boss. This one is orange, okay?
Yep.
And that one is cinnamon.
But it all has the same cake, the pumpkin cake recipe on the inside.
Exactly.
Decorated for fall. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Fall is your favorite season.
It is. I love this weather. I mean,
Yeah.
it's hot, like it's summer right now, but I do love it when it's like 50 degrees. You gotta
Yeah.
put a jacket on.
See, now I love when it's 110
No,
and
I
it's
don't.
sunny
No,
and
not
it's
me.
blazing.
Not when you have to work all the time. What's
Yeah.
the point of that?
I know.
Crumb Boss.